So welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I'll make some charms. So I have some Dollar Tree beads, seed beads. I put them in the bag because they fall all over the place until I get a better container for them. So for now they're in here. These are left baggies. Then I also have some of these beads. I don't know where I got these beads from. I had them. I found them when I was trying to find some bead stuff, and I was like, okay, why not use these? So I'll see what I can make, and I'm gonna play some music. Alan here. So it's cute. I don't even know how I got it. I don't even know where the owl came from. So after struggling for a few minutes, I finally got the piece on, and this is what my outro looks like in the end. Turn it around. So this is what he looks like in the end. He's so cute. Oh, he's so cutie. Oh my goodness, he turned out so cute in the end. It's considering I never made a charm before. Oh my gosh, I struggled, but I did it. He's so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna clip him somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm gonna clip him somewhere. Put him in my purse. And then earlier, when I was moving around with this stuff, I had made this cute earring. I only made one. I took one of those ring things. I don't know what you call those ring things. When you open it, and then I hooked this piece on there. And maybe one cute little earring. It's simple, but it's cute. So when I was looking around this stuff, cause right now we had nothing to do, and I mean, well, we have stuff to do. Well, at least I do, crafting wise. And I was like, you know what? I have stuff in my craft room. I'm gonna see what I have, and why not pull stuff I don't normally pull out? Usually it's been cars or projects like shuttle boxers or stuff like that, but mainly cars. But I was like, I have some jewelry. Go out my comfort zone and mix it. So I mean, all in all, it's kind of good. Not the best maybe, but pretty good for me. But so that's all I want to say. Now I'm rambling, so I was going to let y'all go and say see ya.